These are dominoes. You'll notice that each domino has two sides. On the sides you see dots. These dots are referred to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to make decimal numbers that we can compare. So for this activity, I'm going to flip all of the dominoes over. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a 4-digit number that is a decimal number. And then my partner is also going to do the same. And then we're going to compare our numbers. And the goal that we've set for this activity is whoever has the greater number is going to get all of the dominoes. So I'm going to turn this domino over, and I'm going to turn this domino over. So here I have 2, 1, 6, and 6. Well, if I want to make the greatest one, I know that I need the greatest digits there. So here I've made 66. And here I've made 21 hundredths. So I'm going to write this down, 66 and 21 hundredths. Now it's my partner's turn. And my partner is now going to turn over 2 dominoes. So they'll take this one and this one. So here I have 6, 8, 6, and 5. Well, 8 is the greatest. So my partner is going to make 86 and 65 hundredths. So now my partner will write it down. And then what we'll do is we'll set them side by side. We will read our decimal numbers and we will compare them. So when we read these, we see that 86 and 65 hundredths is greater than 66 and 21 hundredths. So my partner gets all of these dominoes, and then we can play again. And this is one way in which we can use the dominoes to make decimal numbers that we can compare.